Welcome to this professional tutorial on provisioning Yealink DECT systems with 3CX version 20. In this guide, we will walk through the precise steps required to ensure a stable and reliable deployment for your organizational communication needs. Step 1. Before beginning the software configuration, ensure your Yealink base station is powered on and connected to a stable Ethernet network. Crucially, locate the MAC address on the underside of the device. You will need this string of characters for registration. Step 2. Log into your 3CX admin console. With the release of version 20, the interface has been streamlined. Navigate to the voice and chat section on the left-hand sidebar, which is the central hub for all telephony hardware management. Step 3. Click on Add DECT at the top of the interface. This will launch a configuration wizard that simplifies the complex process of binding your hardware to the cloud instance. Make sure your cloud instance is live and accessible before proceeding. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select your specific Yealink model. This process supports the common W70B, as well as the multi-cell W80 and W90 systems. Selecting the correct model ensures that the correct firmware parameters are pushed to the device. Step 5. Next, we move to the device registration details. Begin by entering the exact MAC address of your base station. Since your PBX is hosted in the cloud, specifically in AWS, it is critical to choose Connect via SBC or router phone. After that, select your specific SBC from the listing. Now, assign the required users and extensions to this DECT system. Remember that 3CX allows you to assign additional users later as needed. Finally, click Add DECT base station to complete this phase of the setup. Step 6. Once you save the initial configuration, 3CX will generate a unique provisioning URL. Click the copy icon to save this URL to your clipboard. This address serves as the bridge between your local hardware and the 3CX server. Step 7. Now, open a new browser tab and enter the IP address of your Yealink base station. If you're unsure of the IP, you can find it by navigating to the status menu on a registered handset. Log in using your administrative credentials. Step 8. Within the Yealink web interface, navigate to the Settings tab and then select Auto Provision. Paste your unique provisioning URL into the server address field. Ensure there are no leading or trailing spaces in the URL. Step 9. Click Confirm and then Auto Provision now. The base station will reboot and download its configuration. During this time, the LEDs on the base station will pulse. This indicates a successful handshake and data transfer with the 3CX server. Step 10. The final procedure involves registering your handsets to the base station. This process is specific to the W70 series. First, open the Yealink base station web interface and navigate to Handset and Account, then select Handset Registration. Depending on your firmware version, you may instead find this under Status, then Handset and VoIP, where you will click Start Register Handset. On the physical handset itself, open the Register Handset or Registration menu, select the base station, and enter the default PIN, which is 0000. Wait for the registration to complete, and repeat these steps for each additional handset. Step 11. To finish, verify that each handset appears as registered in the Yealink web interface and confirm in the 3CX console that the correct users and extensions are assigned to the DECT system. Your setup is now professional and fully verified.